Good morning, Bowtie David here for Bowtie Life. It's 5:46 in the morning on a Saturday morning. It's 37 degrees out, 64 degrees in. We're doing a quick experiment here, starting a fire with loofah. Now, someone suggested this in a comment, and I thought, that might be interesting. And so we burned one just to see how it would burn. And it kind of goes poof. And it burns pretty quickly. So I don't know if it's going to work or not. My theory is they're going to burn pretty quickly, and I'm afraid that the wood will not get a chance to start. Now, the wood that we're burning here is the tree trunk that the loofah ate. So I don't know. Is that fair for the tree? Just give the tree a chance to. The tree died, and now the loofah is going to eat it up in fire. And what were you saying, Miss Bowtie?
Payback.
Huh? Payback, yeah. No, I don't know. I was going to say payback, but I was thinking, well, who's getting the payback? Well, they're all getting, oh, here's another loofah. I have a feeling that this is going to, just go up and quit smoke. Gotta open the flue. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens here. We've got a fire extinguisher, but not very close. So anyway, here we go. See how this burns. See how this, ooh, that one's not starting. Well, that's not working well. Let's resort to something a little more aggressive. So, loofah does not make a good fire starter. Let's just leave it at that. Well, I don't know. It's starting. It's starting. It took a moment, but do we have a loofah-powered fire? Another use for... Now, these loofah that I put in here are all bad ones. They're ones that had mildew and mold and rotten spots and weren't in great condition, but it's beginning to look promising. Look at there. At this point, I would say the wood has started back there. What would you say, Ms. Bowtie?
I'm on the fence. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm kind of on the fence too. I'm a little suspicious of the difficulty in starting. Oh, look at there.
Yeah, but that's still just loofah burning. The wood hasn't caught yet.
Yeah. Worst comes to worst, after this loofah burns off, we just stick paper under there like we normally do.
Kindling.
Well, this is what I used for kindling last weekend.
Okay. Yeah, the wood did not catch.
So there's the results of our experiment of starting a fire with loofah. I will conclude that loofah, for some reason, is not great. It needs more heat to start it up. So I'm going to go back to the other way. So we're back to stuffing paper under the loofah, under the logs. This will take a few minutes, but I had to get something started so that we'd get some draft up the chimney. So anyway, that's the experiment. We thought that loofah had all that nice hole space. Maybe it would be naturally starting, but it wasn't. It took too much heat. And so the fire has been started. Normally I'm pretty good at starting one match fires. Well, one match. I use a lighter, but it doesn't take much to light when you do it with lots of paper underneath, kindling in the bottom, big log on top. The reason why I went ahead and put the big log on top is because it has insects in it, and once they start warming up in here in the house, they'll start crawling out, and I don't want that. So that will be their doom. And so there you go. We've got a fire. We are ready to rock and roll. Got our morning coffee. Some delectable delights that we've had every Saturday morning. We've had these mugs for, what, 20 years? I think over 20 years. This has been our Saturday morning coffee mug for 20 years. And we sit here and watch our live stream playlist and go through the live streams around the world and see what the weather is and see what's happening in various places. It's kind of fun. We enjoy it. Have a blessed day.